Check it out, guys. We got some new parts. Flow Motorsports foot pegs we're going to put on the KTM and see how that goes. Definitely needed some new foot pegs. And so here they are, Flow Motorsports MX Pro Series foot pegs. There's the number. I think I got these off AOMC. Usually I order from Rocky Mountain, but we're in a different route this time. Let's check these out. Wow, check that out. Beautiful. And all to just put on your bike and destroy. Got black this time. Got silver on there currently, but didn't want that. Nice. It's the other one. Nice and new for boot grip. Comes with a nice couple stickers. Ooh, black and white stickers. Nice. As you can see, this foot peg's okay on this side, but this one over here has been like this for a while. You know, I've been riding it, and so obviously you can still ride it like this, but I figured it's about time to get some. These are the ones that, when I bought it, came on the bike. So in order to install the Flow Motorsport foot pegs that we just got in, we got to take the old ones off. And I was looking at this one and I noticed it doesn't even have the cotter pin in it, so I'm not sure how long I've been riding without a pin in there, but I found another pin that should work. We just got to get this one out of here. Getting it through there. It still needs a little bit of play in there. That gets the pin out. So you just want to make sure you get the spring on the same one. So this is the old spring, this is the new one. Looking the same. And then the old peg and the new peg looking the same, because they go on certain sides. So you want to make sure those look similar, which these do. So after you get that off and you have your foot peg, push that in, put the pin in just enough kind of hold the peg but not go through the hole, so about right there. And then you have your spring here. Basically this has to be pushed down. This loop right here fits in this little notch, and then the spring will be pushed down. You have to give this a lot of pressure. You can see I'm using these. See how that spring gets pushed down in there? And then this loop right here will go onto this little loop there. But you may have to knock this over a little. There it goes. Then you gotta get that through there. And so while holding that in, so now we got the cotter pin in. We can see that both the loops on the foot pegger have pressure against them. bend this out. I don't know how many of these I've broken when it comes to these cotter pins. There we go. Tighten that up. Lots of good pressure on that. That's it. Go do the second one.